Make a great choice today with the 2018 A6. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, regenerative braking system, rear fog light, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, Audi Connect satellite communications, footwell lights, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display,